Those moments when you feel like short hair but not ready to cut your own hair. This crochet tapered cut is low maintenance and mimics the curl sponge or brush hairstyle, where the sponge or brush is rubbed in a circular motion to give the finger coil curl look. We tried getting this look using the coarse Afro kink in the last video, remember? Well, if you didn't watch that video, I'll leave a link in the description box below. It did not give us a defined effect like this one, so to achieve this hairstyle, just keep watching. Cat Africa Afro has been into short hairstyles basically, and we appreciate so much your support. Now, hair topics will be posted on Sundays. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please, you are welcome to our farm. You simply click the red subscribe button and the notification bell so you are notified whenever we post a video. So to achieve this hairstyle with a more defined coily effect like this, use soft Afro Kinky. The difference is soft. The other one was just Afro Kinky, the coarse texture. Hair is moisturized, then put into these lazy flat twists the previous day, and now this is what we are working with. Sectioning always makes work easier. Use the corner or the arc of your eyebrows to guide you in creating a U shape. That's our first section. Next, go behind right your ears like that and make another section. Now pay attention to how you braid each section. For the behind section, you want to braid in such a way that allows you easily achieve that 45-degree gradation after installing and cutting your hair. And as we always say, we want to make sure the sides are flat.